I mean, at some point it must feel just uncomfortable. I'd rather have a smaller crown. French crown jewels. Man, look at this dining hall. Even the wires over the chandeliers are gilded. Crazy. This museum is huge. The entire space here, this U-shaped building, is all part of the museum, and it includes the actual apartment of Emperor Napoleon III over on this side. He used to live in this building. Beautiful. Wow, isn't this incredible?
But it's so tiny.
Yeah, a little bit. Most famous painting in all the world. Look at the scale of this thing. Wow, this place is grand. Absolutely beautiful. Here we are at the Louvre. Definitely a beautiful view here in this part.